Welcome to AIO Tech Studio. In this tutorial, we will see how you can edit videos using the free Windows 10 video editor software. But before we start, here is our intro. If you are finding us for the first time, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Windows 10 include Video Editor, a set of video creation and editing tools that tell your story with music, text, motion, and 3D effects. Video Editor is successor to Movie Maker on Windows 10 with a focus on easy to use creative tool that enables you to tell your story. To open Video Editor in Windows 10, go to the search bar and type in video and click on the best match. You can also come to this page using the Photos app and click on the Video Editor tab. Onto the welcome page of Video Editor, this button is a new video project where you can start a blank video project. Beside it is the ellipsis has two options, import backup or make a video for me. You can feed in all your content and Video Editor will take care of everything and create a video for you. Below the button, you have My Video Projects where all your previous projects will show up. So let's start with a blank project by clicking on the new video project. It will ask for the name. My project name is Ocean Adventure. You can also rename the project from this button. On the top left side of the screen is the project library. You can bring in all your contents, your video clips and even photos. The bottom side is the storyboard. This is the most important part of video editing. And on the top right side is the preview screen. You can preview your project here. Firstly, we will add all the contents to the project library by clicking on the Add button from this PC. I have organized all the files into one folder. So I'll select all the files together and insert into the project library. Before we add our content to the storyboard, let's add a title card by clicking on this button. This will add one item to the storyboard. The number here shown is the duration of the title card. You can change the duration from this button and even change the background. But let's add some text to our title card by clicking on the text button. This will open up a new window where you can edit your title card. Let's change the text and you can select any of the style from this list. For our video, we will select the adventure and also you can select the layout from of the title card. Once you have finished making changes, you can click on the done button. And from here you can preview your title. Now I have selected all the items from the project library which I will be adding to the storyboard. You can do it by clicking on this button or simply drag and drop it to the storyboard. This will add all the contents to the storyboard. Every item added to the storyboard has its duration mentioned on it. You can even reorganize the content by simply dragging and dropping it to the correct location. I have selected one item from the storyboard and I can use all these tools to edit this clip. I can trim this clip and make it a shorter one and remove the unwanted part. Now the duration of the clip has been changed. You can use the split button to split the video into two different parts and use the text button to add a title to the clip. You can add only one title to one clip. So if you want to add two titles, just split that clip into two parts and then add individual text or title to the clip. This brings us to the 5 annoying things for the Windows 10 video editor. You do not have the option for video transition effect. You cannot edit 4K videos. You cannot overlay videos over another. 30 frames per second is a decent value, but you cannot change the video frame rate. And finally, you have limited option for the title. Not all is negative though. Here is the 5 positive things for Windows 10 video editor. It's available for free with Windows 10. No watermark on edited videos. The user interface is very simple. You do not need high graphics PC. And finally, you can make portrait or landscape video as well. Coming back to the project page, with one item selected, I will click on the text button. This will open up a new window. You have similar set of tools on the top which was available on the storyboard. With the trim option, you can trim your video. With the text option, you can add a title or caption. With the motion option, you can add camera motion. With the 3D effects, you can add 3D object or 3D effects. And with the filter option, you can add camera filter. Once you have done all the editing to the clip, you can click on the done button to go back to the project page. And the final tool is the speed option, where you can set the playback speed to super slow or super fast, but I will set it to 4 times. You also have the option to remove the black bars and rotate the clip. Once you have completed editing individual clip, you can go to the top right hand corner ellipsis and select the themes. You have set of preset themes which will add the themes as well as background music. Below the themes is the aspect ratio. You can choose the 2 aspect ratio. Also you can make your project portrait which is suitable for mobile view. And the final step of the project will be to add a background music or custom audio. We'll go with the background music and select any of the music. You have also the option to sync your video with the music bit and click on done. You can now preview your project, and if it's all good, then you can click on the finish video. This will ask you for the video quality. Just select what suits you or go with the recommended and click on export. This will ask for the file location and the file name and click on export. It will start exporting and creating a new video file which you have edited. I hope you like this video. If you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe the channel, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends.